Hello backyarders, hello YouTube, this is Jeff from Purrfect Cooking Channel. Today we are making leg steak, and this is a lamb leg steak. And that is from Getty Farms. Getty Farms is my source for all my beef and lamb. And also today for our rub, we're going to use Game Changer. Game Changer for your best game. Oh, and lamb too. Well, look at that. Awesome. So the next clip, you're going to see me prepping this steak. Alrighty guys, not much to this cook. I took it out of the package, patted both sides dry, and put the Game Changer on there. We're going to let it rest a little bit. In the meantime, I'm going to put some olive oil in this pan and heat this pan up. Pretty simple. Alrighty, so I heated up the pan with olive oil. You can see it, I believe you can see it start to steam a bit. That means it's ready to go. I'm just going to go ahead and lay the steak right in the pan. We're going to do that for about 4 to 5 minutes, and then we'll flip it, do another 4 to 5 minutes, and then we'll take a temperature. Alrighty guys, I just flipped it over. We'll go 3 to 4 minutes. Make sure it's about 145 internal temp. We'll be ready to eat. Alrighty guys, we're right in there. Just a little over, but pretty close. I'm going to let this thing rest a while, and then we're going to cut into it. Alright guys, so we let this rest about 5 minutes. Isn't she pretty? I'm going to cut it, and then we are going to sample it. Alrighty guys, moment of truth. I know it's going to be good. I'd swear I'm eating beefsteak right there. This is lamb leg steak. And I'm glad that Getty Farms provided this to me today because it's amazing. I'm telling you what, in fact, I'm going to grab the camera and show this to you one more time. Just look at this thing. I can't wait to finish it. I was going to save some of it. I guess I'm not sure for what, but I'm going to eat the rest of it. Cheers, backyarders. Cheers, YouTube.